Well, after some storms last night and actually this morning as well, things are starting to dry out around here. Let's go ahead and get the latest on our weekend forecast from meteorologist Bill Grahl.
Yeah, not a bad evening underway. The weekend not looking great temperature-wise, but hey, it's looking better than it did around here last night, unless you were wanting some strong to severe storms. And you can see Interstate 90 was where some of the strongest storms were centered. We also had some storms up near and kind of between the Twin Cities and Eau Claire. Most of these were large hail reports. Primarily up to quarter size, but a few isolated reports of ping pong ball size hail and golf ball size hail, and then a few isolated wind gust reports as well. In fact, 62 miles per hour out at the La Crosse airport. This was a funnel cloud report near Austin, Minnesota, and then that brief tornado reported just southeast of Sparta in the town of Wells. Just an EF0 with about 85 mile per hour winds. Here's some pictures that many of you shared on my Facebook page. Thank you so much for all those reports, though. It really helps. Quarter size hail over in Hoka. Thanks to Jeff for that shot. And here in La Crosse, we generally had kind of penny to nickel size hail, but every now and then one almost as big as a quarter in the La Crosse area as well. This was near Mayo Clinic. Thanks to Mila for that photo. And boy, was that sky ominous or what as those storms first rolled in? This was taken from downtown La Crosse looking to the west-northwest. A very well-defined shelf cloud as that storm rolled through. Thanks to Michael for that great shot last evening. Skies are kind of partly cloudy right now, and we're close to our high, which was actually set at 4 o'clock this morning, 69 degrees. 74 is average, and after midnight we added another just over ½ inch of rainfall. So again, just under 2 inches total out at the La Crosse airport. We're up to 68 degrees, 67 here at the station. Winds are calm, pressure rising rapidly. And look at the Mississippi above 10 feet, almost 10.5 feet. So keep that in mind. Area boaters, you got that no wake rule in place for developed shoreline. You can see where the cold front sits now, mid to upper 80s ahead of it. We're now in the 60s. Look at Denver, Colorado, 35 degrees with snow, and yesterday they were close to 90 degrees. I think the weather changes quickly here. Head out to the Front Range. You'll see what it's really talking about out there. 60s right now, winds out of the west-northwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And again, one cold front through, but another one waiting in the wings off to the north and west, and there's that snow in parts of Wyoming and Colorado. A very late May snowstorm for them, and they could see 1 foot to 1.5 feet in the foothills west of town. There's that next cold front coming through, and some of this moisture may sneak into our area tomorrow. Slight chance of showers, best chance is south and east. Dry tonight though, and then tomorrow you'll see mainly cloudy conditions. Again, those rain chances highest south and east of La Crosse, and then Sunday's looking dry with a partly cloudy sky, but temperatures will remain cool. Probably some fair weather clouds in the afternoon, maybe a few spits and sprinkles in a few spots. So partly cloudy, 45 tonight in La Crosse, even some upper 30s to our north and east. 58 tomorrow, that slight chance of rain showers, and then mainly dry Sunday but cool, 62. In fact, staying cool through the middle of next week. A couple more rain chances on Tuesday and Wednesday, then we finally warm back into the 70s late next week around Friday and Saturday, a little bit closer to average by that time.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Bill.